Mars, the mysterious red planet. For centuries, it has captured our imagination. Today, it may hold the key to our future. But what makes Mars so special? Why is it the most explored planet after Earth? And could humans really live there someday? Let's take a journey to uncover everything we know and still don't know about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, located about 227.9 million kilometers away. One Martian year equals 687 Earth days. Its diameter is roughly 6,779 kilometers, about half of Earth's. It has a tilted axis of 25.2 degrees, creating seasons similar to Earth, though they last nearly twice as long. Mars isn't just red. Its terrain includes volcanic plains, dust-covered dunes, ancient river deltas, and impact craters. The color comes from iron oxide, or rust, in the soil. It's a desert world, but rich in geological history. There are signs of tectonic activity in the distant past, and massive dust storms that can envelope the planet for months. Mars holds records. Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in the solar system, 21.9 kilometers high. That's nearly triple Everest. Valles Marineris, on the other hand, is the Grand Canyon of Mars, except it's over 4,000 kilometers long and 7 kilometers deep. Formed by tectonic stretching, it's one of the most dramatic landscapes we've ever seen. Mars' atmosphere is incredibly thin, less than 1% of Earth's pressure at sea level. It's made up of 95% carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. This makes liquid water unstable and unprotected from UV radiation. But the atmosphere holds clues about Mars' past. Ancient Mars may have had a thicker atmosphere, with conditions suitable for flowing water and possibly life. Did Mars go through ice ages? Yes. Radar data from orbiters show that Mars has layered deposits of ice and dust that resemble glacial flows. Climate shift occurred due to axial tilt variations over millions of years, similar to Earth's Milankovitch cycles. Phobos and Deimos are captured asteroids, irregularly shaped and tiny. Phobos is only 22 kilometers wide and is slowly spiraling toward Mars. It may crash into the planet or form a ring in 30 to 50 million years. Deimos, smaller and further out, has a more stable orbit. Some believe both may help us understand asteroid capture dynamics. Mars once had rivers, lakes, and possibly oceans. We see dry deltas, sedimentary layers, and hydrated minerals. Today, water exists as ice beneath the surface and in polar caps. Seasonal dark streaks, or RSLs, recurring slope lineae, may suggest briny water flows, though recent studies challenge this. Still, Mars is more water than it appears. The Viking missions in the 1970s searched for signs of life, inconclusive but intriguing. More recently, rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have detected organic molecules, key ingredients for life. We're looking for methane spikes, isotope ratios, and microbial fossils in ancient lake beds. We began exploring Mars in 1965 with Mariner 4. Since then, dozens of missions have flown by, orbited, landed, and roved across the planet. From Sojourner in 1997 to Perseverance and Ingenuity in 2021, each mission has pushed the limits of space engineering. Mars is harsh. Radiation exposure, without Earth's magnetic shield, is deadly. Gravity is only 38% of Earth's, which should affect human physiology. Any long-term mission must solve problems like food production, waste recycling, power generation, and mental health during isolation. Can we transform Mars to support life? The idea of terraforming includes thickening the atmosphere, warming the planet, and introducing life-supporting elements. But it would take centuries, massive resources, and technologies we don't yet have. Still, small-scale habitat terraforming might be possible sooner. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to Elon Musk's Mars dreams, this planet has lived in our stories, hopes, and fears. Movies, novels, and missions have all shaped how we think about Mars, not just as a place, but as a symbol of exploration. Mars is not just the next world. It's the next challenge. It's where science meets imagination, where questions meet possibilities, and maybe where humans will take their next step into the cosmos. The red planet waits.